Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by capturing the single, most visual cooking action. Think chop, pour, or flip. Position your phone vertical and lock exposure. This keeps the shot stable and bright. Once done, arrange ingredients in order of appearance so you never pause. This saves edits. Make sure to use a simple background and one soft light. The camera will read it as pro. Speak a short cue or plan voiceover now so you can execute shots quickly and keep energy high. You now capture the sequence. Start with a wide establishing shot, add a close-up on the key action, then an overhead for assembly. Record each moment as 3 to 8 second clips so editing stays tight. If you need natural sizzle or knife sounds, record ambient audio. Otherwise, perform a clean silent take for voiceover later. Once you have coverage, check clips for focus and exposure. Make sure transitions between shots follow the cooking logic, so viewers can follow every step without confusion. You finish by assembling clips into a punchy sequence, trim to the beat and prioritize clarity. Add concise captions for steps and a final plated reveal. This reinforces the result. Once done, color correct lightly and export vertical 9:16 at 1080x 1920 using H.264 for best compatibility. If the sound is off, try normalizing audio or swapping to a recorded voiceover. If the clip looks shaky, replace with a steady take or stabilize in software. Post with a clear title and one relevant hashtag.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.